Hi friends, now I'm going to show how to fix the bearing in the rear sprocket for RX 100. So this is the rear sprocket and this is the hub. I bought a new rear sprocket bearing. So this is the new bearing and I will show the bearing number which is inscribed on in the outer races at any one side. After opening this one I will show. So this is the new bearing and here we could see the bearing number is this one. So 6004 is the bearing number, and we have to install this bearing in this way because this is the oil seal and this one is open side. We have to apply grease on this area and then we will place the bearing like this, and we have to tap the bearing until it's seated on the hub. So I'm going to apply this grease in this area and then install the bearing into the hub. So now the bearing is fully greased. So this is the oil seal side, it's fully greased, and place the bearing like this. While placing the bearing should be even on all the surface. It should not be, there should not be any up and down, like this one is down and this one is up, not like that. This one has to be evenly placed, and then we can use a punch to tap all the sides to bring in the bearing. At the time we have to punch on the outer races only, we should not punch on the inner races. And another method we can use to punch is we can use the old bearing and place it here, and we can tap it evenly on all the sides to bring down the new bearing into the hub. Now the bearing is fully inserted into the hub, and make sure the bearing face is evenly touching the inner side of the hub. The surface should be evenly touched. There should not be any gap in between the bearing outer race and the hub. Now we have to install bearing circlip in this screw. Now you could see the circlip groove clearly. We have to install this circlip within this groove and make sure the circlip should fix within the groove, should not be touching the other surface of the hub. It should be within the groove. For that I'm going to use this new circlip plier, and this one costs around 170 rupees, and this one is a internal plier. We can use this to take out the circlip. Those which are going internally, we have to use the circlip to internally compress the circlip and take out. And there is another model, that one is outer circlip plier. Using that circlip we can extend the circlip in this way and take out from the fixing surface or hub, anything. So I'm going to using this circlip plier to install this circlip in the hub. So this is it. We have to remove the protector tubes on the tip, and we can use like this to install inside the hub. After it firmly fixed, so that's all. After fixing this, you have to make sure this circuit is within the groove. If it's within the groove, our job is done. So that's how we have to install the rear sprocket bearing and circlip.